Bob Trade Genius, 31st of January. Um, Last couple hours they're doing a special. Check it out. Get the software with the subscriptions and enjoy some really nice trades. Just wanted to let you know. Didn't do much before the bell of the Fed report. And then once the that report laid out, if you notice here, our system basically told us right at 11 o'clock that it's you should be selling, not buying here. This was an overthrow, and down she went. And then we had a buy signal right here on the 1 minute. I chose to wait just because I wasn't sure. If it's always tricky on these days. But once it crossed the vol stop here, I took a run at it and closed it out after it. This is a little misleading here because it actually poked through my thing at the time and came back in, and then I went ahead and I closed out my trade. So a really good day on XIV. You can do this most every day, and it's not nearly as good as this, but the volatility's up and there's news, and that's why I'm trading it. So you can trade this on the 1 minute. It's a really nice feature for the short swing trader. And UNG probably got all the juice out of it we're going to get out of it, I would think, for the moment. And we caught this short, and it just broke back down through the channel here. So if you're holding puts, probably, if it drifts tomorrow, well, tomorrow's the natural gas report, so this is a big move down. I'd probably close out and see where it goes from here. But this was a nice trade for us, and I think we'll get any bounce we get. We'll short into it going into March. And let's take a look here. Everybody's calling for gold to get clubbed and gold move higher, and now just kind of keep an eye on it here. Hit the bottom of the channel. I stayed away. I already own AG. I've been trading with Nugget short puts, but I got out of them yesterday. And I've been building a position in AG, and I'm going to continue to do so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the vol stop here to flip, and I'll add my fourth position onto AG. And there's no doubt in my mind that the miners and the metals are going to run this year. Trump made it very clear he's spending money, and he's going to go, and the market's going to have to play catch up to him. And I think it's going to be really, really good for metals and miners. And let's check out some of the cryptos. It's just been crazy, and I think part of the problem we're having with the cryptos is the dollar. The yen can't get sold off, so it doesn't look so attractive to the Asian buyers over there as well, and so they're kind of staying away. But Japan, their biggest chat application, 200 million monthly users, is going to open up. Robinhood's going to open up, and the Koreans are allowing their citizens to trade cryptos again. So I'm expecting February to be a very good month in the crypto front. And all the bad news they threw at it in January, and I mean they threw everything at it, it still did not make that lower low from that hammer from a couple weeks ago, and I'll zip out on that in a second. But it's holding really firm here in that 10,000, and we just got to buy here on the hourly. So what's really been strong is the ETH against Bitcoin. Like I said, I think there's a potential for 160, and so we'll kind of keep an eye on it. And even ETH is just holding firm. So there's definitely a bid under Ethereum right now, even though they're letting Litecoin and Bitcoin wallow a little bit. And then, like I said, this morning, on a 1 minute, I took a trade pretty much right where it is at the moment. So I'm looking for a 5% move, and it almost got there right here, but that was before I was in it. We got 5% move, and then now I'm waiting to see it get another push higher again. So I think this is also consolidating too. So there's definitely a buyer in this area that keeps buying this price. So if this breaks we back under $1, then I think it really is going to go down. If not, we're going to get these pops, and I'll just go ahead and take out. I have a interest in getting to 116, and so that's kind of where my price is. And so right now I'm flat on it. That was the trade I put out this morning. Now let's take a look at some of the small ones that are flying around here. Add tokens. Here's Digibyte. It's consolidating. Gas, this is one that Phil just called out for us. Had a big pop. Now it's consolidating across the channel. This is usually bullish. See if it rocks from there. And Radium, Stratus. Stratus is interesting, but all still in downtrend. So they have to work through some pain here yet. But I'm pretty convinced with as soon as the forex markets, and that's FXY, you know, is one I watch. As soon as we get some relenting here in the yen, if the yen starts to fall, then it's going to definitely support the cryptos, and it's going to put pressure on gold, silver, and the miners. So a little bit of a yin and yang going on right now. But anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for a great month. We had a lot of fun, and hopefully you'll make a decision to join us. I think you'll really, really, really like what we have to offer and help you guys make money nearly every day. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.